Sa dito. Uy! Wala nila. Wala nila. Tara, tara, tara.
Shoot na. Kanina pa yung game ko.
Nice, nice. Okay yun. Doko eh. Okay.
Susuy na wakan, hindi na binitawan.
Harap.
Nice assist.
Parang di sumasablay. JR, ginagawa ang buwan.
Cross. Easy draw na sa kita.
Nasa kay Alan. Driver 3! Uy!
Who's ball?
Who's foul? Ano yun?
White ball.
Right ball.
Black, 24.
Who's ball pa? Foul, Brian Kevin.
Oh, 4-0. Dalawang basket pala, sir.
4-0. L. Pass to Gary kay JR. Oo, 6 points na yun ah.
Okay.
35 na yata ah.
Respeto.
Alan, N.
Oy!
Brian Kevin, yun! Ako! Offensive foul! Second foul na for Brian Kevin.
Counter sa team.
Bigyan? Sige yun. Setting the play to Jonald, yan ang delikatong play. To Gary po.
Short.
Short! John Ray na naman, nilabas pa kay Obis. 4-3. Bang! Rebound, Brian Kevin. RJ.
Sige, kulang sila.
Brian. Alan. Mid-range guard. Two ang score. Sino ang assist nun? Si Brian. L. Low steps. Stolen by wala. Rebound by Gary. Nice contest. Ayun na, kulang mo daw. Subo ba L? Mid-range favorite. Uy, kapek to Brian Kevin. Alan. Ayun na, bigay kay Fry. Nice pass. Ay, yun lang, kapos. Foul pa ang tinawag. Counted. Foul by John Ray ata. Number 11.
Sanay.
6-4 ang score.
Dalawa lang lamang natin.
Sobrang shooter sa Briton ngayon kaya. Sabi sa inyo eh.
Totoo nga. Shooter pala.
Six!
Setting the play.
Kumat!
L. Si Donald, ay, yun lang, napalakas. Tumatma si Gary.
Baba.
Dark ball.
Hindi muna ako alis, Josh.
Yun na.
Harap
JR.
tayo.
Ganda ng Hesi. To to Alan. Alan to Bri for 3. Bang, bang. Grabe. Di dapat iniiwan yun. 8-6 lamang na po ang black team. Sat daw, ref sa loose ball. Ay, sa dead ball. Gary to Jonald. Naghahanap ng papasahan to Obix. Obix driving. Ganda naman ito eh. To Jonald sa line. Alan. Rebound ni Brian Kevin. Alan. Ano po. Pass break. Yun! Ay, yun lang. Rebound si Brian. Ayan, set down. Easy lang, easy lang. 5-second shot clock. 3. Brian for 3. Yun, tapos. Rebound ni LL. Ayan na po. Uy lang, pero nice. Drive by Obix. Grabe naman yun. Yuka. Idol ko yun. Ayan, JR. Tapla po sa 8 plus 4. Alan, mid-range. Naku, di iniiwan yan dyan.
Nice pass.
Grabe yan. Ayan, 6 points ba yun? 10-8 lamang ang back. Lamang ang Zeus. Ayan. Ang ganda ng pasa to Jack Ray foul kay Alan. Alan, number 17. Sub daw po. Arvin, Lester in, Jonald and L out. Sa dark naman. Trey in, Brian in. 2 free throws for John Ray. First free throw is good. Isa pa. 10-9.
Good job. Kupa tayo.
Lester, hinahalar si JR. Ganda ng screen. Pass to RJ. Ay, kanina. Same ball.
Si RJ, shooter yan ha.
Brian Kevin to JR. Ilan po ang shot?
Hey! Oy, foul!
7 seconds. Number 12, black foul, JR. Foul. Team foul, wala pa.
Meron yun. Kasama yun.
Obix driving to Gary long 3. Tapos. Kalong ba? JR. Pinababa ko. Ayan na naman po, Alan, mid-range. Uy, rare miss. Rebound by Lester. Leading the break. To John Ray. Ay, yun lang nabitawan.
Ready!
Dark ball. All 10 po ang score. 12 minutes remaining. Gray for 3. Wide open. Supply. Rebound by Gary. Lester. Pass break. Uy, grab. Supply. Rebound by Arvin. Ganda ng follow. Dead ball pa. Wala pa. Nang lilito yata yun ah. Parang tactics yun ah. Ayan na, JR driving. Is stolen by Obix. 2-on-1 break. 3-on-1 pala. Ang ganda ng basahan, Obix. Lester to Obix. 4 na po ang lamang ng wide. Grabe, yan po ang ating defending champ. Ang ganda naman nun. Uy! Stolen by John Ray. Ay! Foul lang tinawag. Oh, sub daw, sub. Jeff in, JR out. Gary out, L in. Youth daw, yan. Youth daw. White team, gamitan nyo daw ng youth.
Gamit ng ano? Gamit ng ano? Edad.
Youth. Youth pala. Yun, grabe talaga yung Pinoy step nun. Offensive rebound, Obix. Ayan na, dribbling skills, grabe. Uy! Foul, counted. Ay, hindi. Brian Kevin, bang foul? 3 seconds, sorry. 3 seconds na. Dalawa lang daw. Gray, binababa ang ball. 14-10 ang score, 10 minutes remaining. Hey, anong po? Foul. Kay 23. Lester. Warning for penalty. 10-second shot clock. Alan to Jeff. Jeff binigay sa gitna kay RJ. Foul lang nila. Foul counted. Kasi yun. Number 23.
Box.
Penalty. Sub. Barry in, Lester out. Jonald in, John Ray out. Bonus free throw for RJ. 14-12. Sablay ang bonus pero rebound pa din ni RJ. Binigay kay Alan. Alan free. May nakita ako dun ha. Yan, Obix. Fast break. Grabe yung drive. Binitbit pa. 16-12 ang score ng mga white. Next dead ball change. Court 2 tayo rep. Jeff. To Alan. Mid-range ang favorite. Time. Rebound. Offensive rebound ni RJ to Jeff. Setting the play. Jeff. Wow. Admin Jeff. Change court. 2 tayo. 16-14 ang score. Lamang ang white. 10 minutes pa yan ha. Haba pa. Ganda ng laban. Close fight daw. Obix. 2L. Pinalik kay Obix. Ayan na po. 2 Jack. Grabe. Gary. Matik na yun pag iniwan nyo. 5-point lead para sa white team. Jeff. Pinasok. Grabe. Admin Jeff. Back to back. Yun na. Back to back play-ups. 4 points straight. Tatlo lang po ang lamang ng white. Obix. L, binalik kay Obix. Parang nakita ko na to. Uy, stolen! By RJ, fast break Jeff, leading the break. Uy, stolen by Obix. Ayan na po. Pakabila naman po tayo. Ayan na, Gary, alam na to. Ayun, offensive rebound by Obix. Uy, grabe, foul ang tinawag. Sino? Ref. Si Gray, number 11. Second personal foul for Gray. May sinasabi po dito. Hindi ko alam kung dapat ko sabihin eh.
Huwag mo na sabihin.
Pero galing kay John Ray papunta kay Gray.
Ball zone guard! Take time!
Sablay ang first shot ni Obix. Take your time daw, Obix.
Nice one!
2016, apat na naman po ang lamang.
Yung ano, dribble pa rin, dribble drive. Cover na lang din natin. Tapos ipan sa kick out.
Gray, taking his time, 14 seconds sa shot clock. Uy, ang ganda naman ng ipasa. Grabe, Gray to Brian Kevin.
Dalawa lang.
Lead. Grabe, pwedeng abusuhin yan ha. Gary, ito na yun ha. Jonald to Gary, to Arvin, ang ganda po.
Nice one!
Yun yan ang champion. 8 minutes remaining, malayo pa po yan. Jeff, setting up the play to Gray. Maskip. Jeff to Brian Kevin. Yun, ang ganda ng speed sa Sablay. Rebound ni L to Gary. 2-on-1 to Obix, back to Gary for 2. Ganda. Time out daw.
Time
Time
out,
out blue
time
team.
out.
18-24. Ganda ng laban. Lumalayo na po. Penalty, Zeus. Penalty na daw kayo. Back to the ball game. So back to the ball game. Uy! Dark ball. Dark ball. Kakashoot lang po ni Gary.
Harap, harap, malayo pa, 7 minutes.
6-point lead, 7 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. JR. There is stolen by Obix. Yan naman po ang fast break. 3-on-2. Obix with 4 steals. Gary sa flyang mid-range. Rebound by JR. Ayan na. JR to Brian. Brian Fuming. Yan. Uy, foul po. Foul. Arvin. Penalty wala ba? Wala pa. Warning for penalty. Shooting foul.
Shooting go.
Two free throws for Brian. First free throw. So, that's it. Oh. Chichir ka ni John Ray. Second free throw.
Nice one.
2 for 2 for Brian. Apat na lang po ang lamang ng Y. 7 minutes remaining. And to Jonal. Jonal for mid-range. Rebound the Obix. Offensive rebound. Binalik kay Jonal. Jonal. Fade away. Sablay. Rebound ni Jeff. Fast break for Black Team. Jeff to Butata. Rebound by RJ. To Jeff. Jeff. Mid-range. Sablay. Pero offensive rebound ni JR. For to Sablay pa rin. Libre na. Bola pa din ng Black Brian. Ay, tapos! Rebound ni Obix. Ang dami nun. Obix ay na po, sumasayaw. Grabe yun. 10-second shot clock. L for 3. Sablay. Grabe yung bantayan dito.
Bola sa'yo.
6 minutes remaining. Apat ang lamang ng defending champs. White. JR to Bri. Bri for 3. Kapos. Okay lang daw yan. Sabi ni JR. Tira lang.
Okay.
Patouch daw kay BK. Manayarinig daw. Ipatouch daw. Hindi ko alam yung context pero patouch daw. Ayun. Ubus oras. 10-second shot clock. Nasa half court pa. Ayan na. Driving. Grabbing slow step. Sablay. Rebounding. I-Jeff pa yun yung kay RJ. RJ pass break. Binigay kay JR. JR for 2. Assist from RJ. RJ to JR. Ayan na. White. Oops. Wala. Good pa. Wala. Na-balance eh. Jonal for 3! Sablay! Rebound ni JR! Chance to tie the game! RJ! Uy! Foul! Jason! Foul! Jonal! Time out! White! Time out! Tabla ang laban. And a chance to take the lead for Dark Team. Grabe! Ang ganda po ng laban. Back to the ball game. Sablay, and a free throw for RJ. A chance to take the lead for Dark Team. Alamang ba? Grabe, ayaw mapigil ni RJ. One shot. Sablay, rebound ni January. Oops. Pinapaba ni El. 4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining in our ball game. Tabla po ang laban. El to Jonah. Jonah to Gary. Gary for 3. Short. Rebound ni Brian Kevin. Mark taking their time. Hanap PK daw. To RJ. RJ to JR. JR naghahanap ng papasahan. Binigay kay Jeff. Binigay kay Brian sa loob. Back to Jeff. Jeff for 3. Sablay. Muntik na. Kayo nung wala. Same ball. 14 seconds. Shot clock. Right to Jeff. Jeff to RJ. RJ. Brian. Brian driving. Uy, double team. Eh, boy, nag-turn ako, nag-aagawan. Ayun, jump ball. Ayun bola.
Wala namin, no? Sila nanalo sa jump ball.
Uy, ito.
Sila nanalo sa jump ball.
Oh, sila daw, white ball daw. Sila nanalo sa jump, blue nanalo sa jump ball kanina.
Nanalo sa jump ball kanina. Next possession, araw sa
Naman yun, next possession arrow sa Dark Knight. Tabla pa rin po ang laban. 3 minutes and 30 seconds left. El setting the play. El to Jonathan sa loob. Spin move! Wow! Grabe! Hindi sumasablay yun.
Uy, dalawa lang yan, dalawa lang yan.
Sab daw si Alan sa dead ball.
Layo pa to.
JR. To Bry. Nagana. Ay! Stolen by John to Gary. Libre. Time out. Down. Time out for Dark Team. Back to 4-point lead for White Team. 3 minutes remaining in the ball game. Anong time out for Dark Team? Wala na. Huli nyo na yun. Ang ganda, grabe. Puro fast break yung laban na po ah. Back to the ball game. Black ball. Ito na yata ang final lineups natin. JR, Dre. JR, binababa. Hinaharas to RJ. RJ, naghahanap ng papasahan to Alan. Masikip dyan, pero bigay pa rin. Balik to Alan. Alan, mid-range! Post. Block daw. Hindi daw. Oo, mataas daw yung talon. Ayun. Mid-range yan. 2 minutes 20 seconds remaining. Joel with the mid-range. Sablay. Rebound ni RJ. Uy, muntik na maagaw. JR. Last 2 minutes. Uy, ganda ng tapit. Binigay kay Alan. Ang ganda ng pasa to RJ. Grabe yan. Kanina yun. Ano yun? Oops, may cranks yata. Cranks. Hulikat.
Sabagad! Sabagad!
Sab.
Kung hindi kaya, sabagad! Huwag nyo na hintayin. Teka, buhatin muna, buhatin.
Injury time out.
Uy! Pulikat ba talaga?
Hulikat.
Huligas. Kita yung kako.
Go. Very crucial po itong injury na to kay RJ.
Apat lang ha!
2 minutes remaining in our ball game. Lamang ng 4 ang White. Ayan, setting up the play. Cray, haharas pa si Cray. Hindi. 10-second shot clock. To L to Obix. Obix dancing. Yung ay sablay ang layup ni Obix. Offensive rebound by White Team. 14 seconds ulit. 10 seconds sa shot clock. Nakasabi ko na ng 14, 10 agad. Obix, ay, ganda naman. Wow! Sabay. Rebound ni Brian Kevin. Libre, libre. Gary humahabol. Block by Gary. Grabe, naabot pa yun. Alan to Gray. Gray, midi. Sabay, muntik na. Good shot, good shot. Mahaba pa po yan. Obix. 14 second shot clock. Press na po. Haras na. Ayan, haharas na sila. To Gary. Gary to Jonah. Mid-range. Sablay. Board lang. Rebound by Alan. To Gray. Gray for 3! Latch 3 by Gray. Isa na lang po. 48 seconds na lang. Inaagaw. Ay, nakuha pa rin ni El. Muntik na po yun. El to Gary. Gary. Nilabas. 36 seconds remaining. 10 second shot clock. Obix. Dancing. Obix to the lane. Back to 3-point lead for the white team. Grabe, Obix. Singayaw. Parang dito Alan, 3 ba yun? Tapos. Obix binaw.
Penalty na ba?
Intentional foul. Penalty. Gray. Penalty. Free throw. Free throw, Obix.
Okay na.
Sino ba?
Kanino ka dyan, pre?
So, sino nag-foul? Taas kamay.
Si Bry.
Si Bry pala. Si Bry. Binigay na. Bry, first free throw for Obix.
Nice, Obix. Ganda.
Grabe.
Isa pa, security na. Secure
Ice in
para
his
ano?
face.
Secure.
Security daw. Second free throw for Obix. Supply. 4 points.
Apat lang.
Apat lang. Bola ng guard. Hinaharas. Drive. For 3. Wala. Rebound ni Obix. And that's it for our